Hey guys, I just wanted to give you some directions on how to use this fractions manipulative digital tool. We might be using it from time to time throughout this unit. It's very useful to work out some fractions in case you don't have the manipulatives at home. The first thing is the fraction bar and the fraction circle. So this is going to allow you to make something and then divide it into a certain amount of parts and then use those parts and fill part of it in. You can do either a rectangle or a circle. So let's just look at that really quickly. If I click right down here, it asks me how many parts. So maybe I want to divide this rectangle into fifths. I would choose 5 and I could click OK. I can then use the colors to shade parts of it in. And as you can see, it changes it over here. So it's telling me that this represents 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and it shows you that over there. Similarly, I can use my circle. I can divide the circle. Let's say I want to divide it into fourths and hit OK. And then I could shade in parts of the circle and it will show me that that is 3/4. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that part first. I'm gonna clear out of these and click back over at any time. You can always click on this eye and it will take you to the directions box. You can use colors to show fraction of a whole, select a color and tap parts to fill. Drag parts to fill it more quickly, tap a filled part to remove it. You can also tap to select shapes, okay, and draw a circle around different shapes, okay? You can also show or hide the fractions labels. So the way that I was showing you it over here, you can pull that over and you can show that a different way, okay? And then as always, this will always clear all items. This will allow you to draw or type onto the screen. So if you are trying to figure out, for example, if you were going to look at, let's try 1/3 plus 1/3. Okay, so let's say I had 1/3 plus 1/3, and I wanted to show that here and show that here. And then I wanted to have the plus button here to show it, right? So I would have 1/3 plus 1/3. I would shade it in. Then I could figure out by drawing another circle and also making that into thirds, I could figure out that 1/3 plus 1/3, now I have 2 shaded. So 1/3 plus 1/3 must then equal 2/3. And I would show that over here. So that's just how to use this little manipulatives tool. Sometimes fractions can be a little bit challenging to understand. So it'll be good to know that you can always hop on over here and use this if you need it. All right, have a great day.